What's going on, everybody? Peace, loves, and blessings. Yo. Alright.
Yo, bro, back up, bro.
I'm having a day so far. Woke up, Starbucks. I love Dunkin', but Starbucks, man, I don't know. Something about that vanilla blonde.
If I drink this coffee, will I get dumber?
That's up to you.
I was leaving, you know what I'm saying? I was in the mall. I checked my little daily stuff, see what's out, what's new, and I happened to run into these. Alright, so without further ado, let's get it started. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it started.
Waiting for you, waste and find the time. It's so by your side. You got it to do long and better. 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 All the words I had to say, they don't mean nothing to you. What the heck? There's nothing better. All we have to do is touch.
Alright, so here we are. So on the left, we got a 35-watt compact power adapter. Then on the right, we got a 35-watt power adapter. So if you want to know what the difference is between the two, this one's the more interesting one. You know, it's the newest thing out. So I like how it has grips on the side. You know, you try to put it behind your bed or whatever, you know, you try and grip. So this is the newest toy that's out. 2 USB ports, good for that fast charging. Nice outlet. There's a nice flat part right here. An Apple logo could have been cool right here, but it is what it is, you know? Yeah, so I like this. This is pretty dope, you know? This is a good one right here. All right, so here's the 35-watt power adapter. If you guys are familiar with like chargers, power adapter chargers, these look very familiar to you. You know, you usually have an Apple logo right here. It goes with your MacBook, a MacBook Pro or Air. And I think this is pretty cool. I think this will definitely be in everybody's home also. So if you're wondering between the two, again, it kind of more speaks more for itself. All right, y'all, it's the end of the video. What do you guys think about the two chargers? Which one are we getting, family? Like, are we gonna get the little portable one or we gonna get the power block? Truthfully, they both are useful at their purpose, but for me personally, I'll probably get this. I don't know, they both are useful, but I mean, you'll get more out of the power adapter because the power adapter powers more things. You know, it's meant to power bigger devices and more things. So I think the power adapter would be more useful, but as far as travel friendly, I feel like this is more of a burden because like, what are you carrying this for? Like, you're supposed to carry something like this for yourself, not for somebody else. And lastly, check out my next video. The next video, I'm gonna be reviewing the Belkin version where it powers up everything with the charge power at 108. So if you guys want to see that, go watch my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace and blessings to you all. And I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.